Welcome to Quiz Saya. Get ready for an exciting challenge packed with fun and mind-blowing questions. Today's topic:
biology, specifically
ecology and ecosystems. Are you ready?
Question 1. Which of the following best describes an ecological niche? A. The area where an organism lives. B. The role and position a species has in its environment. C. The food it consumes. D. The number of offspring it produces. Correct answer: B. The role and position a species has in its environment. Question 2. What term describes the maximum population size an environment can sustain indefinitely? A. Biotic potential. B. Ecological threshold. C. Carrying capacity. D. Logistic maximum. Correct answer: C. Carrying capacity. Question 3. Which of the following is a density-independent limiting factor? A. Disease. B. Predation. C. Natural disaster. D. Competition. Correct answer: C. Natural disaster. Question 4. The 10% rule in ecology refers to: A. The proportion of energy lost as heat. B. The energy passed from one trophic level to the next. C. The survival rate of apex predators. D. The amount of energy producers store. Correct answer: B. The energy passed from one trophic level to the next. Question 5. Which type of species is most likely to dramatically affect the structure of an ecosystem despite its low abundance? A. Dominant species. B. Invasive species. C. Keystone species. D. Foundational species. Correct answer: C. Keystone species. Question 6. Primary succession typically begins on: A. A deforested area. B. Agricultural land. C. Volcanic rock or glacial retreat. D. Flooded wetlands. Correct answer: C. Volcanic rock or glacial retreat. Question 7. What is biomagnification? A. Increase in species population. B. Increase in toxin concentration as it moves up the food chain. C. Growth of biomass in producers. D. Expansion of ecological niches. Correct answer: B. Increase in toxin concentration as it moves up the food chain. Question 8. The edge effect refers to: A. How ecosystems change near their boundaries. B. The migration of species into central habitats. C. Changes in salinity levels. D. The increase in biodiversity deep within habitats. Correct answer: How ecosystems change near their boundaries. Question 9. Which cycle includes processes such as nitrification and denitrification? A. Water cycle. B. Nitrogen cycle. C. Carbon cycle. D. Oxygen cycle. Correct answer: B. Nitrogen cycle. Question 10. A climax community is best defined as: A. A recently disturbed ecosystem. B. The first group of species to colonize. C. A stable, mature ecosystem. D. An artificial ecosystem. Correct answer: C. A stable, mature ecosystem.
Great job! You've made it halfway. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Can you ace the rest? Let's find out. If you're enjoying this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button to show your support.
Question 11. In an energy pyramid, the largest amount of energy is found at which level? A. Tertiary consumers. B. Secondary consumers. C. Primary consumers. D. Producers. Correct answer, D. Producers. Question 12. Which of the following best defines gross primary productivity GPP? A. The total biomass at all trophic levels. B. The rate of energy storage after respiration. C. The total amount of energy captured by producers. D. The amount of energy lost as heat. Correct answer, C. The total amount of energy captured by producers. Question 13. Which type of biodiversity refers to the variety of ecosystems in a region? A. Genetic diversity. B. Habitat diversity. C. Species richness. D. Ecosystem diversity. Correct answer, D. Ecosystem diversity. Question 14. The introduction of a non-native species into an ecosystem usually results in A. Improved mutualism. B. Greater environmental balance. C. Disruption of existing food webs. D. Increased genetic diversity. Correct answer, C. Disruption of existing food webs. Question 15. What process in the carbon cycle returns carbon to the atmosphere from organisms? A. Photosynthesis. B. Transpiration. C. Respiration. D. Nitrogen fixatio. Correct answer, C. Respiratio. Question 16. Which biome is characterized by permafrost, short growing seasons, and low precipitation? A. Desert. B. Temperate forest. C. Tundra. D. Savanna. Correct answer, C. Tundra. Question 17. Which of the following would be an example of a detritivore? A. Earthworm. B. Eagle. C. Fungi. D. Phytoplankton. Correct answer, A. Earthworm. Question 18. In ecological terms, what does our selected species typically exhibit? A. Long lifespans, few offspring. B. Low dispersal, high parental care. C. Short life cycles, rapid reproduction. D. Strong territorial behavior. Correct answer, C. Short life cycles, rapid reproductio. Question 19. Ecological resilience is best described as I. The ability of an ecosystem to recover from disturbances. B. The resistance to invasive species. C. The number of species in an ecosystem. D. The rate of successio. Correct answer, A. The ability of an ecosystem to recover from disturbances. Question 20. Which of the following is an abiotic factor influencing ecosystems? A. Predators. B. Soil pH. C. Decomposers. D. Mutualism. Correct answer, B. Soil pH.
And that's a wrap. We've completed all 20 questions of our quiz about ecology and ecosystems. If you enjoyed this quiz, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to support my channel.